Hi there! Recently, I've been talking with one of my clients about market research for YouTube, and he asked me what is the cheapest way or what is the cheapest tool to do it with. And the cheapest tool I know of is pretty much free. So in this video today, we're going to talk about it. In today's video, we're going to choose a topic for our market research as an example, and me and you together, we're going to build a specific plan on how to market research your niche and how to start. So if you're a marketer and you have received the task to create your business YouTube channel, this video is for you. To answer the question on even why do you need market research, as a business YouTube channel, you need consistency, you need a brand, and something people will recognize in the long run. If you post any random videos you have that people are not aware of, they don't expect something like this, it's most likely they will drop off and they will unsubscribe. People love to be aware of what's coming. And if a subscriber has subscribed to your channel because you're doing funny videos and sometime in the timeline you start to upload, I don't know, different type of videos, most likely they will unsubscribe because they subscribe to you because of the content you are doing and you were consistent at the time. But now you're changing your content and they will fall off. And that's not only normal, that's expected. And to make sure that you're consistent with the brand voice and to the niche voice, you should check what's happening. But be really careful to not copy-paste what content already is out there. Check only what your competitors are doing, what type of content they are doing, how long their videos are, and this will give you some pieces of information on what you should try to do in your own voice and in your own brand. Let's go to the screen sharing so I can show you how to do it and what to look for. First, we are starting with recognizing your own niche and what is happening there. Let's say you have a coffee shop and you want to create content around coffee. Coffee is your main keyword, but to be exact, you should dig a little bit deeper. Let's say we are going to search coffee recipe. There are different keywords that you can dig in deeper to see what's happening there. This is the case in every single type of keywords and every single niche. So, searching for a coffee recipe. Here we have a sponsored information, sponsored video. We do not look at this. Find the video with the most views or just a lot of views. The first two videos I'm seeing here has enough views for me. So we're going to see what is the engagement to those videos. There are two that I'm seeing here right now. There are one short type of video and what that is a short type video but uploaded as 16:9. Let's see the short. I've paused the video because I do not have the permission from the creator to basically show their videos, so we're just going to see the numbers here that we are interested in. Check the engagement and the length of the video. 24-25 seconds. Okay, short, clean, perfect. We have a lot of engagements, likes, comments. This is the thing we are looking for. Let's see the type of comments, check what is the vibe, how he is connecting with the people, how he's interacting with them as a creator. Get that information and put it somewhere where you can use it afterwards. You're going to repeat this process, so use something that is convenient for you. Maybe Excel or Google Sheets or just Word document. I've opened another video on the same niche, the same keyword, where I saw that it has a lot of views and a lot of likes, and I'm going to use it as an example too. Of course, the video is muted. I'm not going to play it fully, so don't worry. If you want to check the creators, go check the creators. Here is only for example purposes. We have the length of the video, which is of course 35 seconds. Let's say in our niche with coffee recipes, the coffee recipes should be less than a minute. A lot of comments here. We have a lot of interaction with the audience. Now check the creators, check their accounts and their channels. Of course, this is a public information, so you can look at what they're posting, what type of content they're posting, what kind of length they're having on their channels, and what type of videos, even shorts type of videos or 16:9. Just take a look on the creator. We are doing this with this video here. I will hop on here just to remind you, if this video is helpful for you, please give me a big thumbs up, and you can subscribe to the channel so you can receive notification every time I upload similar video. And now back to the topic. Hello Ethan, you can check his account. I'm not going to show again his videos, but hi Ethan. Of course, I'm gonna ask Ethan if he's okay with me showing his account. Don't worry about it. When you open the channel, you see that his main focus is on short type of content. And this is giving you exactly the piece of information you need to know about this type of creator and what is working for him in that specific niche. You can check the frequency, which is the next step, and for our purposes, we're going to see where to look at when we want to see how frequently his shorts was uploaded. So when you open the last short, you have these three dots here in the upper right angle, not angle, but corner. You can click on description. In description, you can see that this was uploaded 16 hours ago. When you go back to the channel and open the previous video, you can see that the previous video was uploaded on the 18th of September. Go and check what is the frequency for the last 5, 10 or 20 videos, and do that with every channel you're looking for. Of course, keep that information in a safe place where you can analyze later. Here we have the technical part of our video today, and I'm going to show you how one type of sheets on analyzing your competitors maybe can look like. Of course, this is only a demo, and everything you see here you can tweak for your needs. So we have the first column here where we have the name, link, type of content, sort of content, length of the content, every single metrics you need to know, and every single metrics you're taking while you're looking at the different types of creators. This list can be longer, and it depends only on you. In the same page, the number of accounts you're adding here is again depending on your specific needs and on your time, because of course this takes a lot of time. I have highlighted 3 of these 6 accounts that has, let's say, a lot of subscribers in our niche. What information we have here? These 3 accounts have most likely educational videos. Of course, this is educational video, this is educational video, and this is a type of recipes, again type of educational video. What is their sort of content? Shorts is the vertical one, 16 to 9 is the horizontal one, the landscape type of videos. They are tending to be a lot longer as duration. When we talk about shorts, the shorts are 20 to 30 seconds. Here we have something interesting too. The type of hooks are basically the same. Shocking cut, which is basically getting something from the content that's really wow as an information and putting it first. Let's see how frequently these people are uploading. 4 videos per week, 1 video per month, and 3 videos per week. We can see that when we talk about short type of videos, 20 to 30 seconds, we have frequently uploaded videos. But when we talk about the landscape type of video, the longer video as duration, we have 1 per month. Okay, that's perfect. Here we have the information that we need. If we upload short type of content, we have to upload 3 to 4 times a week, 20 to 30 seconds a video. If we upload a longer type of video in the landscape, we are able to go through with 1, 2 or 3 videos per month. This is how we take all of that information, how we measure it, and just an analysis on what's working out there. In the article accompanying this video, you will find not only this sheet as a suggestion, you will find also a suggestion for the AI prompt you can use to analyze that type of information. Keep in mind, if you try to ask AI agent to give you that information from the get-go, make sure that he's in your right niche and he's taking the right people in the niche. I have tested it and it's not working pretty well, and it finds people that doesn't upload and people that have uploaded content 13 years ago, which is not the perfect thing to do and to take as an example. So you can select the data beforehand and you can give the AI agent the links of the creators and ask him to analyze their content for you. So let's go to the next part of the video. And to wrap up this video, you don't need a budget to start with your YouTube research. You need time and curiosity. Of course, there are many tools that are paid that will help consultant agents like me to help you do that faster and maybe better. When you're starting, when you're solo, and when the budget is a problem, this is a perfect way to start doing something. And of course, if you have any questions, you can ask them down in the comments or even book a full consultation with me on avenara.com. That's for now. See you next time.